Hi. I'm not dead yet. I'm just reflecting on some things on the floor. Of course, that's the perfect place to reflect. The floor. That's the camera. And I did it. I did it. And I'm like, after I did it, I'm like, that's it. That's it. Like, I've put it on, I have put it off and put it off, because for some reason I was scared, or I feel like I'm not good enough. I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. I feel like I'm not good enough, or I'm not ready. And then today, out of the blue, I just did it. And it didn't sound that bad, despite the lack of vocal training. And I just did it. Like, and I felt something I have not felt before again. New addition to the vocabulary of feelings that we are having in here. Such a strange feeling to feel like right now. I feel like I feel weird. I feel like a jelly stick. I'm not wiggling, but I feel like a jelly stick. If you know what that feels. I feel like I'm wiggling. Like my soul is jiggling. But I couldn't say if it's good or bad. It's just the way it is. Also, I don't want to say the other word because it sounds so cliche. Or maybe it's just the time that I need to sleep. It's the closing hours of the brain. Maybe that also affected this manner of like receiving something that triggers a feeling. Maybe it triggered the wrong corners. Because I thought I would feel like, yeah, I did it. Like the yes, sort of, I have done it. Like after such a long time of just thinking about doing it and not doing it, and then not doing it, and then not doing it, and then now out of the blue I just did it. I thought I would feel like yes, like yes, that I would be like I'm normally but I didn't feel that. Or maybe I'm just too tired. Maybe I'm just too tired. Because it felt normal a little bit that I just did it. If it feels normal, then maybe the reason why it feels normal is that the moment, remember the fates that we are talking about, that some things, some checkpoints are meant to be passed through. Like we can like explore all we want, but there are some checkpoints that kind of required for us to go through. And maybe the reason why it felt normal is that I just went past a checkpoint. Maybe like that checkpoint has been waiting for me for so long to arrive, and maybe the guard went on a break when I actually passed the checkpoint, so he didn't give me the badge the badge of joy that I was supposed to receive. Or maybe I will feel it tomorrow when he returns from the break. Like I'll receive the badge of joy when the guard returns from the lunch break. Because I kind of, right now, I feel a little bit like I don't know what I'm feeling. I don't understand as much as I am trying to understand. I cannot put words on it. I'm just feeling it. Maybe I should go and feel it some more. Maybe I can find some words for it.